these sections. So this is a foamy sort of material that splits and allows you to put a few strands in. It doesn't need a loop in this case, you just loop your floss around these parts, and then to pick one of the flosses you can use one of the needles, in this case say like this one. So you just pick one and pull by it, and then you'll get one strand. And then what I also like is if I have blends, if there's not too many of them, I can also do something like this. So for me, this is clear that the floss on this needle at the moment is number 2 plus number 17, so it's a blend. If it was going down into the same place here as floss number 2 is, that would be a solid, for example, like number 11. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below.